Metals have retraced a little in the trade yesterday, reversing from the resistance zone. Today again we have seen both gold and silver erasing some of the gains from yesterday. Specifically, silver has come towards $29 levels. Can we expect this bearishness to continue in gold and silver? Should we go ahead for selling, or it is going to bounce back and rise again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and I am going to give you the trading levels and strategy. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Just subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and if you're not getting notifications, you can be part of the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Join also, just support the effort by becoming a channel member here on YouTube, and do like, share and comment, friends. This is always a great motivation from you all. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. If you look at the hourly charts, this was the sharp decline. It has retraced. Second thing is the decline has accelerated here, and it is trying to get the support at around same zone or resistance at around same zone. Thus, it is very important for gold now to trade above 23, 14, 16 zone, which will be a confirmation of a rise and a reversal. Now, once gold trades above 23, 14, 16 zone, we can look forward to 23, 20 levels. See, 23, 14, 16 and 23, 20 is going to be a good resistance zone, and then 23, 30, 32. I have maintained these levels yesterday. Again, we are maintaining the same levels. If at any point of time gold stays beyond 23, 30, 32 zone, certainly we can say that the bulls might try to take the prices higher, and then we can look forward to 23, 50 levels as well. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD has retraced here, trying to converge crossover. This crossover can lead to bearishness. RSI is comfortable here. Coming out of the oversold zone, it is trading in a comfort zone. Coming to 2-hour charts. Now look at beautifully, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has retraced here, and it is getting resistance. See, this is the power of technicals. It is getting a stronger resistance here, and thus it is very important for gold to trade above 23, 14, 16 zone, which will confirm its move towards the 50 period and higher levels as well. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD, look at MACD, this is crossed over here. This is trading with little divergence, and it has still got a lot much of room on the upside. RSI almost running flat. On the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same. Prices are divergent here. It is weighted enough for the moving average to come down. It can try to hit this zone for once before reversing. That is one possibility you cannot ignore. And thus this zone here at 23, 14, 16 and 23, 20 is going to play a major role. And beyond that, 23, 30, 32 zone. Also look at this crossover here. This is a sell crossover, and it is trading with divergence, suggestive of bearishness. A stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. Look at MACD on the 3-hour charts, hitting the lows. It is trying to cross, and right now running flat. This has to diverge. It means it requires couple of stronger bullish candle for it to continue with the bullish momentum. Remember, it is coming from a lower levels, and if you look at the move here, this is the rise, this is the retracement. It can again cross over for the bullishness. We have to wait and watch for a couple or more candles for it to take a direction. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts also equal, same observation here. Little reversal sign is seen here, and almost it has erased the gains from this candle. We have to wait for it to now drop 2298, 2294 and then 2288 levels. These three levels are going to play a major role today. Any drop below 2288 will confirm its move below 2280 level, and 2280 is going to be one level, 2280.78, which will confirm the bearish moves in gold for this entire week, where we will look forward to further drop. In my weekly review, I have also mentioned the same, that below 2278, 2280 zone is where we will look forward to 2250, 2240 levels as well. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has traded bearish here. If you look at this, is the drop here, retracement, and it is again trading bearish. If it crosses over from here, consider that the bulls are back in action, and we are looking forward to higher highs. RSI comfortable. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, and I am going to give you the trading levels and strategy. If you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 31st batch started yesterday. 32nd batch is going to come in soon. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details related to the queries. And yes, in this batch, I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setup with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Also, though you can be part of my signals channel, where we capture hundreds of pips and points trading in indices and commodities every day. Also, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So see what has happened yesterday. Almost you can see three candles getting consolidated at around 2290 levels, and we have seen a good bullish candle here. Now today the day has started on a bearish note. However, it has all the possibilities for it to reverse, and once it reverses and trades beyond 23, 14, 16 levels, you can say that the bulls are back in action, and we can in fact aspire for it to move towards possibly 23, 30, 32, and in fact higher prices can also be expected here. But right now it is not showing much bullish signs here. We can see higher lows, lower highs. This is something which also we can expect, which means on the downside 2290, 88 zone is going to play a major support role. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, and RSI is flat here. Now looking at this, ideally you should wait for 23, 14, 16 levels for taking a buying position, but you can take a bit early at 22, 2308 levels itself. Be careful at around, see, from 2308 you have to put a 20 pips trailing stop loss, 2310, 2312, 2314, 2316. In fact, let's include 2318 and 20. So as long as 2320 is not taken, put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Keep closing, keep re-entering, keep closing, keep re-entering. Remember, it is very, very important to protect your capital when you know that the chances of a reversal is high. As long as 2320 levels are not taken, you have to be trading with caution. And once it breaks beyond 2320, stay bullish, and we can look forward to 2330, 32 as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2398 level, but then also 2394, 92 first support zone. That is going to be a very good support zone. Below that 2388. If these two levels are taken, then also 2384 and 2380 and 78.5 are the two targets which it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness here. Below 2378.5, just stay short. We will look forward to 2360, 2350 and 2260, 2250 and 2240 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, after the sharp drop, it has retraced and it has hit the lower lows here. It has hit $29 levels here. If you look at the complete move, I can see slightly lower lows, lower highs and slightly lower lows here. It is trying to trade in a modest bearish channel. The highs here at $30 levels are going to be critical, and the lows here at 29. So this zone of $1 is going to play an important role today for silver. Moving averages are trading with divergence here. Thus 2960 levels are going to be one critical level here for silver for the day. 2960, 2980 and then 30. Three levels here. Very, very important resistance will be observed here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is suggestive of bearishness as it is looking downwards. Hitting the lows again, it can try to bounce back. RSI has hit the bottom already, trying to bounce back from there. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts, the sharp decline here, and it is trying to recover a bit. First resistance, in fact, I will recommend you to buy now at 2940, beyond which 2960, 2980 and $30 levels are the three resistances it needs to break. Any move beyond $30 levels should take it towards 3025, 3050 and in fact 31 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is almost running flat. It has crossed over for sell. The RSI is at bottom here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see the decline here, then the retracement, and then the sharp decline. So I can see that after this decline, it is retraced. And also if you look at the 3 hour charts, it is getting resistance from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at 2980 levels. Thus, these levels are definitely going to play an important role today. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is still bearish, but look at MACD. It has seen good drop and it is showing waves. So we'll wait for it to converge crossover for the buying entries. Right now, it is bearish enough. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour, one must notice that a wall is created here. Look at these three candles failing to break on the upside, and we have seen a sharp reversal here. Now we have to wait for it to take a direction. Any drop below 29 is an entry for us to take a selling position for 28.75, 28.50 levels as the next target. And in fact, $28 levels will be the next achievable level here. Stochastic looking down. MACD is still bearish, almost hitting the double bottom here. RSI is also at bottom here. Coming to the daily, now one must notice on the daily charts a flat beginning for the day, couple of retracement, and it has breached the lows from yesterday and the last Friday. It has also achieved the 50 period moving average, which is proving out to be a good support. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to now trade below $29. Also remember, a flat beginning calls for a equally strong pullback as well, which can in fact take the prices towards $30 and in fact 30.25 or in fact 30.60 as well. If you look at the move here, the drop, see, trace the movement for silver, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop. There is a potential retracement possible here, which can in fact take the prices towards $31 levels. The stochastic oversold. See, this is one thing which is still suggestive of bearishness, which is MACD, which is divergent, which is bearish looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 29.40, sell at 29. First target on the downside 28.75, next at 28.50, and then below that we will look forward to 28.20, $28 levels, which are indeed achievable levels as well on the downside. And on the upside, the buying entries are very clear at 29. We'll wait for 29.40 zone to be, but till $30 levels, we should not be treating this as bullish. You have to put a 20 cents trailing till $30 levels. Beyond 30, we will look forward to 30.25, 30.60, and $31 levels as the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again in few hours from now. Thank you.